Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be taking a look at how to play that Christmas classic, Feliz Navidad, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica. Here's what Feliz Navidad looks like when it's written down in the key of C, and here's how it sounds. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 6, blow into 7, breathe in through 7, blow into 7, and breathe in through 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 6, breathe in through 8, blow into 7, breathe in through 6, and blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 3 is exactly the same as phrase 1. So let's move on to phrase 4. Breathe in through 6 3 times. Blow into 6 3 times. Breathe in through 5 twice. And blow into 5. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 5, blow into 8 4 times. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7 twice. Breathe in through 6. Blow into 6. And breathe into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 6, breathe in through 8 4 times. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 6 twice. Blow into 6. Blow into 5. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now phrase 7 is exactly the same as phrase 5. So let's move on to phrase 8. Breathe in through 8. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 7 twice. Blow into 7. Breathe in through 8. And blow into 7. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the kind of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then check out my tabs page. There's a link in the description below. There's also a link to my awesome NFT collection on OpenSea, and I really hope you take the time to check it out. And until next time, stay tuned.